Today I am reviewing NEOBIHIER BN95 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The NEOBIHIER BN95 15.6-inch gaming laptop is an impressive entry-level gaming and productivity machine designed to balance performance, portability, and affordability. Powered by the Intel 12th Gen N95 processor, this laptop reaches speeds of up to 3.4 GHz, ensuring smooth performance for everyday tasks, multitasking, and light gaming. Combined with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a fast 512GB SSD, this laptop provides a responsive and reliable computing experience. Applications launch quickly, files transfer effortlessly, and users can switch between software with minimal lag, making it ideal for students, professionals, and casual gamers. One of the standout features of the NEOBIHIER BN95 is its lightweight and portable design. Weighing just 3.5 pounds, this laptop is easy to carry to school, work, or cafes. Its 180-degree hinge adds flexibility, allowing the laptop to lay flat or adjust to different viewing angles, enhancing comfort during extended work or study sessions. Additionally, the 38Wh battery provides enough power for hours of productivity, streaming, or casual gaming without needing to constantly recharge, making it a reliable companion for users on the move. When it comes to visuals, the 15.6-inch Full HD IPS anti-glare display truly shines. With vibrant colors, excellent brightness, and a 2K resolution, the screen delivers clear and immersive visuals whether you are watching movies, editing documents, or exploring entry-level gaming. The anti-glare technology ensures comfort during long hours of use, reducing eye strain and making it easier to focus on tasks for extended periods. This laptop is designed to give users a premium viewing experience in a compact and affordable form factor. In terms of user experience, the NEOBIHIER BN95 includes thoughtful features like a backlit keyboard and a fingerprint reader. The backlit keyboard allows you to type comfortably in dimly lit environments, perfect for late-night study or gaming sessions. The fingerprint reader enhances security, giving you quick and secure access to your laptop without relying solely on passwords. These small but important features make daily use more convenient and secure, elevating the overall experience. Connectivity is another strong point of this laptop. With two USB 3.0 ports, a mini HDMI port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a microSD card slot, the NEOBIHIER BN95 supports a wide range of peripherals and external devices. Whether you want to connect an external monitor, transfer files quickly, or use additional storage, this laptop offers the essential ports you need. It also supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, ensuring stable and fast wireless connections for streaming, online classes, or casual gaming. In summary, the NEOBIHIER BN95 15.6-inch gaming laptop is an exceptional choice for anyone seeking an affordable yet reliable computing solution. Its combination of a fast Intel N95 processor, 16 GB RAM, 512GB SSD, and a stunning 2K display makes it capable of handling both work and light gaming with ease. The lightweight design, backlit keyboard, and fingerprint security add convenience and practicality for everyday use. For students, professionals, or casual gamers on a budget, the NEOBIHIER BN95 provides a perfect blend of performance, portability, and value, making it a smart investment for 2025.